Hi guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can add Facebook Meta Pixel to Squarespace website. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, you want to go to your Squarespace account and you want to choose the website where you want to add Facebook Pixel. Now, in my case, I'm going to add Facebook Pixel to this website. Okay, so I'm going to click here, it says website. Okay, it's going to take you guys directly to your website dashboard where you can add change things on your website. You want to scroll down, guys, and you want to click on this gear icon here, and you will see settings above that. Okay, so you want to click on this gear icon and it's going to take you guys to this page. You want to click on marketing. Okay, so after, guys, you click on marketing, you will see here two different options. You want to go with Meta Pixel and ads. Now it's going to take you guys to this page. As you can see, this is the place where you can add your own Facebook ID. Okay, your own pixel ID, I mean. Okay, so as you can see, add Meta Pixel to send site visitor data to Meta so that you can better target your ad campaigns. Okay, so what you guys need to do, you want to go open a new tab and search for Facebook Events Manager. Okay, so you want to search for Facebook Events Manager, and after that, what you guys need to do, you want to click on the first result. Okay, here it says about Meta Events Manager. You want to click on it and you want to click on go to Meta Events Manager. You can either search for this word directly or for this Meta Events Manager, or you can just click on it here. Okay, so I'm going to click on it right now and it's going to take me, guys, to my it's going to take me to here. Okay, so what you guys need to do after you are on your Facebook Manager, you want to click here where it says data sources. Okay, you want to click here. Now after that, if you can see here your pixel ID, if you don't see it, make sure you select the correct ad account. Okay, if you have multiple ad accounts, I'm going to click here, it says see more ad accounts, and I'm going to choose this ad account. It's called Easy Ads. Okay, so after you choose the ad account, then you want to wait a few seconds, and here you will be able to see your Facebook pixel. As you can see, this is my Facebook pixel. As you can see, now what you guys need to do, you just need to highlight all the ID or the Facebook pixel here and right click and then click copy, go back to your Squarespace website, and you can add here the Meta Pixel ID. Okay, after that, make sure you click on save so that you can save your changes. Okay, so as you can see here, invalid Meta Pixel. So it seems like there is a mistake here, so I'm going to go back. Now make sure there is no space. Okay, make sure you highlight only the numbers. After that, you want to copy the number and you want to go back to your Squarespace website, and then you want to paste here the Meta ID and then click on save. Okay, that's it. Now we have successfully added the Meta Pixel to our Squarespace ID. Now you can retarget your Squarespace customers. Okay, or in next time you want to target these people, it will be easier so that you have more information about them, what they like. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you if there is anything you don't understand, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. And yeah, make sure, guys, you drop a like, and see you guys in the next tutorial. See you guys next one.